Hola viewers, in this video we are going to see the live demo of Arcnics false ceiling light. So this video is going to be in English. The reason being, many of our customers have requested a video to be in English so that they all can understand. Since we are selling the products across India, at different states of India. So yeah, this particular video is going to be English, and in future I'll try to combine both videos in English and Tamil. I'll try my best to do in both the languages. Right, so this video, as I said, is going to be the live demo of this Arcnics false smart ceiling light. So based on the appearance and the design, I've already posted a video in Arcnics channel, so you can get the link of that video in the description. So please get to see that if you haven't already. Come on, let's get started. For the demo purpose, I've taken 15 watts Arcnics smart false ceiling light and I've connected to the power supply. So we'll see how to use this, pairing it with the Smart Life app. Since this light is, Wi-Fi enabled, I'll just quickly go through the features of this light. So this is a false ceiling light from Arcnics, and this one is Wi-Fi enabled. It has RGB plus CCT controls, bring up 16 million colors, and you can also play with the CCT controls as well. You'll get the whites, cool white, warm white, and normal white as well. So in addition to that, you can schedule the light, you can group multiple lights, and you can control them in different colors. And you can also set up timers. You can also set up biorhythm to follow a specific cycle every single day, automated fashion, right? So you need not set this up every day manually. And this also has power on behavior, which could resume, or you can define the state, how to work when the power is back on, once the power is cut off, right? Not only that, it also has a music sync feature. So we are going to see all these features explained in a detailed way right in this video. And yeah, let's turn on the light. Okay, I've just turned on the light. You could see the light is full bright, and you have to do 3 times on and off if the light is not getting into this pairing mode. So when you see the light is blinking, it indicates the light entered the pairing mode. Now that it's in pairing mode, we can go ahead and connect it to our Smart Life app. So I've just entered the Play Store and I'm going to type Smart Life, which is the app that we're going to use for almost all the products of Arcnics. Right, so I got it installed, so it's just showing me open. If not, you can go ahead and install it. So once the app is open, just click on the plus icon in here and click on add device. Right, so you could see the device is already discovered since it's already in the pairing mode. But you just need to ensure the Smart Life app has necessary permissions enabled. So that's the only thing that we need to be sure of. So once it shows the device, you can just go ahead and click on add. That's pretty simple. And just enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi username and password. Go ahead and click on next. So it will take somewhere around 10 to 30 seconds to add this product. You'll get to know once the product is added successfully, the light should stop blinking and it should be steady. Right, so which means the product is being added successfully. So once it's done, you'll get a message in your mobile app as well.
I found Smart Recess Light from the Smart Light skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Smart Recess Light.
Okay, I think A is taking over the video, but still, you'll also get a notification from Alexa or Google if that's already connected to your account. Yeah, I had my Alexa connected, so yeah, that's what it's notifying us. A new device is found. So once it is done, you can just go ahead and click on done. So you'll see Smart Recessed Light, which is the smart downline, obviously. So once the app is open, you can control all the features right from the comfort of your mobile, and you can also control it through Alexa or Google. So we're going to do that as well. So as you can see, I'm going to reduce this brightness a little bit because it's too bright for me, and it might not be visible for you in the camera as well. The color is towards the cool white at the moment, and you can adjust the level of white here. So right from the mobile, I've just made it to neutral, somewhere in the middle. And towards the left, it indicates warm white. So basically the color temperature you can adjust right from your mobile, for white. And similarly, you can also choose the colors as well from your mobile. You just have to switch the tab from white to color, and then you can start selecting colors from the 16 million color options. So I'm just going to select say blue, green, or whatever color you like, and you can also play with the brightness of it. You can make it completely bright, or you can make it less dim or anything. So coming to the next scenes, which are predefined set of scenes. You can use any of these scenes. Let's say if you don't want to set up every time the brightness and color changes, you can just select a predefined set of scenes. The scenes are customized as per individual needs, the most common scenes like reading, writing, and celebration, all those kind of scenes, including working. So all these scenes are customized, and it's optimal for that particular use case. So in case if you want to customize it, you can definitely go ahead and do that, right? So you could see see 32 inbuilt predefined scenes that you can select from. Coming to the next option, which is music, my favorite option in here. So I can just go ahead and click on this rhythm, which requires your microphone permission. So once you turn on this, it will listen to the outside music. You could be watching a wonderful movie. You could be listening to some, awesome music. So the lights will sync according to, what you are listening to, right? So as long as the sound is in the speakers, right? It should be an output sound. So similarly, you can also set up the gaming mode and also romantic mode. It depends on, like the lighting would vary based on that, whichever one you're going to select. And coming to the more features, you have lots and lots of features, as I was explaining earlier. So let's start with schedule. In schedule, you can go ahead and schedule the light to turn on and turn off at a specific time every single day. You could see something called as rhythms in here. Rhythms is nothing but biorhythm. So when you click on this biorhythm, you can see the different options here: sunrise, midday, sunset, and sleep. So basically what you can do, you can just customize this end to end. So how your light should behave during the sunrise time, how should it behave somewhere in the midday if you're keeping the light on, and how should it behave in the evening and towards your night. You just set this pattern if you like. If you have a specific rhythm that you're going to follow every single day, you need not do it manually. You need not set up a schedule as well for that. So go ahead and schedule this and save this rhythm, so it's going to execute it for you forever. So you just have to click on this rhythm button to set up this rhythm. So once you click this on, you can just go ahead and you could see all these are enabled. So I'm not saving this, I'm just turning off this rhythm, right? So schedule, we just looked at it, how it should. And let's move on to the timer. So timer is nothing but your countdown timer, how you want to turn off the light after a specific amount of time. And similarly, you also have a do not disturb option, so which would be helpful if you have kids at your home, like accidentally switching it off. So you can just turn it do not disturb, accidentally switching it on as well. Either ways it works. And the default light is nothing but the power on behavior. You can customize it how it should behave when the power is back on, once the power goes off. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about the features. As we can see, it has multiple scenes, multiple modes, and multiple different things that you can play with. Completely customizable, and you can also get the option of 16 million colors, that too with Wi-Fi enabled, right? So to add on to that, so you can also control the light using Alexa, Google, or AI assistants, right? So let's go ahead and try that as well. So I'm just going to rename this light for for us to control this easily, right? So let me name this to smart down light, right? Smart down light. So you can always give your pet name, whichever you would love to. So just rename this to smart downlight. So now let's see if Alexa is able to turn this off or on. To connect this to your AI assistants, you can just go ahead and click on this third-party control. So I've already connected mine, Alexa and Google Assistant. You can see the options in here. Just click on this and you'll have to just link your account. It's pretty simple. Once it is linked, you should be able to control these lights from your AI assistants. So let's go ahead and try it out with Alexa. Alexa, turn off smart down light. Okay, so now that's working. You can control it through Alexa. Let's try turning it on through Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn on smart down light.
All right, turning on the smart down light.
Now that we have tested all the features of this smart down light from the Smart Life app, so we can test one more feature, which is grouping and controlling multiple different lights together. So basically you can control all the lights in a particular room that would match your recommendation or your suggestions. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to connect a couple of more lights to this and see how that works. Now let's go ahead and play with the grouping function. So once you have connected all your lights to your app, to the Smart Life app, so you can group them together. Let's say I have connected all these 3 lights in a particular room, and I want to group them all together, and I have to control the entire room lights with just one click. So I can go ahead and do that. So for that, you can just click on any of the lights in the particular room which you want to group together. Just go ahead to the more option on the top and click on this create group button. So once you click on the create group button, you could see the lights which are available, all the lights that are available at the moment. You could see Smart Downlight 2 and Smart Downlight 1. So basically these 3 are the variants that are available at the moment. The first one, which is in green color, is the 15 watts variant, and the middle one, which is in white, is the 9 watts variant, and the last one, which is a smaller one in red color, that's the 5 watts variant. So these 3 are the variants that are available with Arcnics currently. This is also available in pack of 3 and pack of 5. You can go ahead and purchase based on your requirements. So I'm just going to add this Smart Downlight 2 and Smart Downlight 1 to the same group, and I'm going to create group and click on save. So I can just add, mark these as, let's say office, right? So I'm just saving this as office. Now you could see something like this, which says as office, which is a group together. Like you could see the buttons on the top. So just click on this office and you can just turn this on. So you could see all three lights are turned on together and all three brightness is at like 8%. So I'm just going to increase the brightness to 100% for all three. You could see the difference here. And if I want to turn on, change the color, I'll just make this colorful. You could see all the lights are like changing their colors parallelly, simultaneously at the same time. So with this, you can go ahead and control the entire room's light, based on, let's say, like you can group everything together as kitchen, hall, and bedroom and everything. And you can also group the entire house. You can turn on the house lighting completely at once. You can just turn off everything at once. You can turn on everything at once. And yeah, the grouping also has multiple features. You can go ahead and schedule this based on the grouping, like what are the lights that you have grouped together. So you can just schedule them to turn on bedroom lights on this time and schedule the kitchen lights to turn on different time. Right, so that's also possible. Again, the features are limitless and the customization is also limitless. So you can go ahead and create your own scenes and play with it. I hope you liked the video so far, and if you really like the video to be in English going forward, yeah, please let me know in comments. And if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, yeah, please go ahead and comment them and down below. So I definitely take a look and I'll try to address the best possible that I can. And if you're enjoying this video, please go ahead and share it with your friends and family. And if you would like to know more about these kind of unique products, don't forget to subscribe Arcnics. We'll meet in the next video. Ta-ta, bye-bye.